Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change theme in Ludo King. So this will work for Android, iPhone, whatever mobile device you're using, it's going to be the same process throughout. So right here is going to be like the home screen when you first click on the Ludo King app. You're going to want to look to the top right hand corner where you see the little phone icon there that has like a crown above it. You're going to want to click on that. And then that's going to bring up the themes here. So if you've unlocked themes already, you just want to click like the tick box, and then that's going to change that selected theme there. But then if you've just downloaded one, or just unlocked one, I should say, you have to click download on it. It will download, and then you'll be able to tick selected on it. And how you get these themes is by completing missions. Is one of the ways to do it, like this one here. And also, you can actually buy them by going up, clicking the plus button at the top in the middle of the screen there. The themes with coins, potentially here as well. You can unlock coins through playing games. And you can also technically buy them with real money if you wanted to as well. So hopefully that made sense. Leave a like on the video if you're going to go out and change your theme. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on the screen to see my how-to videos on the Ludo King game. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.